so here we have a problem. Write an equation of a line that goes through points 2, -4 and 0, 2. Typical question in linear equations. And if you know how to do this, you can, it will be easy for you to write other equations, parallel, perpendicular, anyways, the strategy is the same everywhere. So first we have 2 points, right? In order for us to write an equation of a line, and they didn't specify which equation, we'll start by writing this one, y equals to mx plus b. Because once you have that one, you can, from here, you can go to standard form, to any other form. Anyway, so step 1, first of all, let's visualize it a little bit. Where are those points? You don't have to do it, and I know students like to skip all steps they can skip, okay? But I'm visual, so I like to kind of like a little bit visualize. Okay, maybe let's do it a little bit straighter. A little bit, let's see. Okay, much better, okay. Not much better, nobody cares, I guess. I care. Okay, 2, -4. And go 1, 2, right, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are here, okay, this is first one, okay, and 0, 2, 0 is where? Is here. So those are 2 points, and it's, actually we kind of we know what's B here. But let's pretend we don't, or let's maybe, if a point will be in a different way. Anyways, so step one is to find slope, okay, so find slope. Okay, so slope. M is equals to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, and what's going on here? You can just take in any order, guys. This is y1, x2, y2, and we go 2 minus 4 plus 4, right? And then 0 minus 2. So it is 6 divided by -2, -3. Okay, I'm gonna here save some space, -3. It's just like magically we did it in our head. Okay, -3. Okay, so step 1. Step 2, your y is, so step 2. Okay, too many ones, 2 steps. So y is equals to mx plus b. We already have our m, and we just pick any point that we like, and we're gonna find our b. Okay, and this is the procedure, guys. I know we already have our b. B is a y-intercept, but let's say we didn't have. Okay. Okay, so we go. Y is equals to -3x plus b. Pick a point that you would like to use. Second looks nice because 0 x is a 0, so you can do less work, kinda. Okay, and we go 2, right? So we'll just flag it there to find that b. We're looking for b. Basically, here could be find b. Okay, find b, find slope, find b. Okay, that's all we need. We need just a b and a slope. 2 -3 times 0 plus b, and b is 2. Surprise, surprise. Okay, and that's it. So y is equals to -3x plus 2. Okay, and this is our equation. So nice 2. 2. That's better, yeah. Okay, and that's it. Let's see if it makes sense. Plus 2 minus 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1. And we do the same, kind of like the same thing. -3 over 1, -3 over 1, right? And that's it, and that's it. And, okay, and we can call it like a little L1 if we wanted to. Guys, hope this makes sense. This is the same procedure. If they would now ask you, find the line that's parallel to the line that goes through these 2 points and goes through some other point. You can use this, the same drill. Basically find slope. Sometimes slope is given. Sometimes they give you another line that is parallel, so you take that slope, or they give you a perpendicular line. You take that slope and you do one little thing. I have a video on how to write an equation of perpendicular, so watch it as well. In any case, this procedure always works. Okay, one more thing. Let's say, I know it's 35 minutes, but let's say they want it in a standard form. Okay, so all this, they always ask for different forms there. So for example, so this is slope-intercept form. I'm going to write it slope-intercept form. Now, well, obviously why it's called slope, this is slope, this is intercept. Very, very fast, but now I'm gonna do it. What if it's standard form? What is standard form? Standard form, to remember, basically, it's supposed to be ax plus by equals to c. And there's also this general form where everything is on the left side. Hold on, I'm gonna make a nice B. Okay, look, what's important? Important that a is positive, cannot be negative. Another thing is that none of them, all of them are integers. They cannot be, well, in this particular, they cannot be fractions, right? Okay, so rational numbers. So whatever you do, if you have some fractions here, basically you need to put it in the form that those numbers look like whole and a is positive. Okay, so even if you move things around, you can always multiply it by -1 or, you know, like, so that your a will be positive. And we do not care about sign of these two guys. Okay, see, anyways, so for this guys, here, all is good. We'll just move this 3 over there. Look, here it's going to be just 3x plus y equals to 2. So voila, if you want this. If you want, what is like a standard general form, you move this 2 on the other side. There's another form, point slope, but I think it's going to be already, I don't have space on the board anymore. I'll make another video about point slope form. It's also easy. Okay, hope this makes sense, guys.